There are so many people here today.
This place looks wonderful.
Welcome to the water park.
I cannot wait to get inside.
There are lots of visitors today.
Everyone is ready to swim. Dad, I can see the ticket prices.
Let us speak with the staff. Hello, we would like tickets for the water park.
Hello, how many tickets would you like?
How much is one child ticket?
A child ticket is $12.
How much does an adult ticket cost?
Adult ticket is $20.
We need 4 tickets, please.
Please wait for a moment. Here are your tickets.
Thank you very much.
I am so excited now.
Let us go inside right away.
Please enjoy your visit.
Thank you, we will.
This water park is really huge.
I can see so many water slides.
Look at that giant slide.
It looks really exciting.
Let us leave our bags here.
This is a nice place to relax.
Are you ready to swim?
Yes, I am ready. I want to ride that slide.
Let us go together.
The slide is very tall.
I feel so excited. I will go down first.
I will watch from here.
That slide was fantastic.
It was so fast.
Let us ride it one more time.
This place is amazing.
It is a wonderful day for swimming.
Let us take a short break.
We have tried many slides already.
I still have plenty of energy.
I am feeling a little tired.
I see a food stand over there.
Maybe we should get something to eat.
We would like some hot dogs, please.
How many hot dogs would you like?
I would like one hot dog, please.
One for me too.
Would you like some ice cream?
Yes, I really love ice cream.
This hot dog is delicious.
My ice cream tastes so sweet.
Eat slowly, Megan.
I have already finished. I want to play in the wave pool.
The wave pool looks exciting.
Stay close to us, Megan.
I will be careful.
Megan, stay near the edge of the pool.
I am safe on my float.
Megan, do not swim too far away.
I will stay right here.
Megan, look this way for a photo.
This is such a happy family day.
The photo looks beautiful.
Megan looks so happy.
Wait, where is Megan now? I only see her float.
I cannot find Megan anywhere.
She was sitting on that float just a moment ago.
Megan, where are you?
Megan, please answer us. Megan, please come back.
I cannot see her in the water.
Excuse me, we need your help. Our daughter is missing. Please stay calm. I will check the pool right away. Thank you. Please help us look for Megan. Everyone, please check around the pool. We are searching for a little girl.
What does your daughter look like?
She is wearing a bright life jacket.
Megan, please answer us.
I hope she is close by.
I cannot see her in the waves. Maybe she walked to another pool. Let us check the children's pool.
I will come with you.
Megan, please call out to us.
We are looking for you.
Dad, I just saw a girl who looked like Megan.
Really? Where did you see her?
Over there, near the slide.
I see someone is standing there. That girl really looks like Megan.
Yes, I think it is her. Come on, Dad.
Yes, let us go and check. Wait, I can see her now.
That is Megan.
Dad! Tom!
Megan! Megan, we are over here.
Oh, Megan, there you are.
You are safe.
We were so worried about you.
I only came to this pool.
You frightened us, Megan. Please stay close to our family.
I am sorry, Dad. I will stay beside you.
We must always stay together.
Safety is very important.
Next time, we will swim together. Yes, I will never go far again.
Today, we learned an important lesson.
Family safety always comes first.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next stories. Bye.